Check out our all-new advanced option chain. The new option chain will provide information on details like OI, volume OI analysis, implied volatility, and Greeks. Go to hamburger menu, click on derivative, and then advanced option chain. Alternatively, you can access it by searching for any scripts or contracts, or even on the overview page of the Sharekhan app by selecting any index. Once you're on the advanced option chain page, you can use the search bar to search for F&O stocks and indices. You can switch expiry date or the latest expiry date when you open the page from the hamburger menu. On the bottom of the page, tabs for different details are given. You can select and switch between them for information and analysis. In just one click, you can check the graphical view of OI and OI change along with put-call ratio information in both portrait and landscape mode. This is how you can use the new advanced option chain to analyze options like an expert trader and make smart decisions.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.